By seeing the video title, you might have known that what we have here now. So yeah, this is a OnePlus 8 and the unboxing is on its way. But before you watch the unboxing and the full video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends and family for more information. You can also talk to me on Instagram. I am always there present to answer all your questions, and don't forget to give this video a like. And what you think about this phone, please comment me in the comment section. Crazy little thing. I mean, this is a beast, guys. This is a beast. We cannot compare this with anything else. So just see the simplicity, the tinted glass they have made, and the OnePlus logo, everything. This is beautiful. So we have set the phone. I mean, see this. This is 90 Hz fluid AMOLED display, and we have installed some games, and quickly I will be doing the gaming review. I mean, see these things: PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, Fortnite and Minecraft Earth. I will be reviewing these 4 games, and specially in this video I will be talking about the performance of PUBG Mobile's graphics in this game. So please be tuned. And talking about its features, so I have set the phone at dark tone. Don't search if you don't know about the modes in this phone, so please don't search dark mode, search dark tone. Okay, you will get a dark theme. And I have also changed the color of the apps. I mean, see this here, we have red apps. Okay, so we have these red color parts which I have changed in the settings. And now let me discuss about its features, about phone. So here you can see Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, 48/16 2MP triple camera set, 90 Hz fluid AMOLED 6.55-inch display, and Android 10 at last in our hands. Build OS number, build number, everything. Here everything is there. So this is the OnePlus that I always imagined about. So see this, just it is signing on my hand. I mean, these are the basic things we have here. So let's get started with the gaming review.
me!
Reloading, cover me. Targets in sight!
Changing mag! Cover me!
Sentry gun ready for deployment. Friendly sentry gun deployed.
Enemy contact. I'm down! Need backup! Targets in sight. Cover me. Reloading. Changing mag.
So guys, in overall performance and looks, this phone is a beast, and in overall daily life usage, this phone is also a beast. So it is my recommendation. If you have money, then you can buy this one, or if you don't have, so you can buy the new OnePlus Nord. That's also a beast. So let me try the face unlock. Yeah, the face unlock is also working fast. Let me try the fingerprint. This is also working heavens. Let me try the camera. Actually, this is also a very responsive camera, so everything is very nice. So it is my recommendation that you buy this device, because this device is a beast. This device is literally a beast. And if you want to play with PUBG with me, so I will be giving my ID of PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile in the description. Don't forget to send me a friend request. We can play together. Just say you are one of my subscribers, then I'll also be happy. Thumbs up to that.